out at the range, as you can see, and I brought along the X5 Legion from SIG and the new Romeo1T. Decided to go ahead and bring it out today, now that I've got it on the SIG and I've got it somewhat sighted in. I mean, it's pretty close. You can see the small target out there, the paper target. The shots that are on the wide are mostly from the SIG. And I also have the Romeo1, the original one, on my FNX 45 Tactical now. I finally found got a gun for it. So I decided to come out and show this off. Maybe we'll compare it to the Romeo1, but it's mainly going to shoot and see how it does. So far I've put a mag, about a mag through it, maybe, full mag I think through it. Getting it sighted in. I'm not a huge red dot person, so it took me a little longer to get it sighted in. Same with the FNX, it still needs a little tweaking, but so far it's there. So I decided while we're out today, I'll show you the best I can on the camera. You know, hopefully you can see what you're looking at and what you're going to be looking through. I'm going to turn the brightness up some here. Now there we go, so you can see the dot pretty well. That blued glass kind of calms down the other lighting out there, so when you're really looking at the target, let's see if we can get really up close here, see if you can see what I would be seeing through this dot. So you can see it kind of drowns out the sunlight and really makes you focus on that dot and your target, which is super nice. It's really windy out today, so I hope the wind isn't getting picked up too much on the camera. We're mainly here to shoot and talk about the 1T and the Romeo, and the Legion. So this is my first trip out with the Legions. Like I said, I only got a mag through it, so hopefully I can do some good shooting here. We got some steel targets out there ready to go, and I've got 3 mags loaded up, so let's go ahead and shoot them. And I'll tell you what I think about the Legion. Ooh, that didn't feel right. Remember to put your left earplug in. So I mean, it's a tack driver, especially with that sight on there. I mean, I'm not that good of a shooter, and I mean, we're not too far out, which we might push it back a little bit and see what we can do, see what the gun can do itself. But I got this cheap old SIG holster for an old 320, so let's draw from holster, which I don't do from outside a waistband very often. I really never practiced too much with this gun on doing it, but we'll see what we can do. Alright, so we're back inside, and just wanted to say thanks for watching the gun bench while we were out on the range today with the Romeo1T on the SIG 320 X5 Legion. And just kind of got a little footage got a little messed up, so I edited it the best I could, and now I'll leave you with a few shots of the 1T mounted onto the Legion. You can see I really like this gun. You can definitely shoot quick with it. Overall, I had a fun day shooting this gun, and I can't wait to get out and shoot it some more.
just for the record, in the video, those were just standard 115 grain reloads of mine, and so nothing, just no factory ammo. Didn't have any malfunctions out of the SIG, and that heavy frame, I mean, man, it makes it, recoil is just non-existent. So thank you everybody for watching the Gun Bench. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. If you want to see a more detailed review on the 1T versus the Romeo 1, I'll probably link it somewhere up here. And then if you want to see a complete disassembly of the X5 Legion, I'll put that video up there as well. So we'll see you next time.